Hello lovelies, welcome back to another Temu video. So I got a question from someone. The person was asking how he or she can order the right product. I mean, the person wants a laptop bag but found out that there are so many laptop bags on the app with different prices. I mean, the same bag, different prices. So the person is confused on which one to go for, you know. I get the confusion, so I decided to just make a video about this because I know this is one challenge I face and there are other people out there that might have the same challenge. So in this video, I'm just going to be telling us what I do and end up with the best results for me. So as I'm talking, I'm going to also be doing a practical. So let's just go with a laptop bag. Let's search a laptop bag. And let's see. So I would like to say that there are so many vendors on Temu, like for just a particular design of bag or whatever it is you're buying. Of course, there are going to be a lot of vendors, and because there are different vendors, of course, they are going to have different prices, and I don't know, they might have different qualities as well. I mean, their products might be of different qualities, right? It's a really high possibility. Of course, there are different prices, there might be different qualities. So it's left for you as the buyer to really research well before you go ahead and pick a particular item and pay for it. So you're not at the end of the day, you don't get a result that you're not so happy with. So let's pick a particular bag that is popular. Let's say for this one, let's pick this one. Let's pick this one here. So this bag here goes for €6.17, and they're about 16,000 sold. So another thing I do is whatever item I'm going for, I look at the number of that item that has been sold. I don't really go for items that are just maybe 10 sold, 5 sold, 6 sold. Reason because the more the quantity of the item that has been sold, the more you're going to see the reviews, the more reviews you're going to see on that item. So for this item now that is 16,000 sold, of course there's going to be a lot of reviews. If you come over to the reviews, you see a lot. Another thing I look out for in the reviews is I look out for reviews that have videos and pictures. Like this one has a video of the bag, so you have an idea of what it looks like in real life. So this is a video of it. You know what it looks like in real life, so you know if you're going to go ahead with it or not. This is a picture. Just go through it and make your decision. This is one thing. This is why it's good for you to look for an item that has so many quantities that has already been bought, so that you can have the opportunity to look at all the reviews. So this is a bag, it goes for $6.17. Now this particular bag, let's look for another vendor. This is the same bag. This one goes for €6.05, just few cents less than the one we saw earlier. This one is 7K sold, and of course there are also going to be a lot of reviews. Let's see all. Okay, I clicked on see all, and this is all I'm seeing for my country, or for the country I'm in now, which is Germany. It's few actually, it's not a lot. And this one doesn't even have any picture or video for me to look at. So if I really want to make my decision, I'll go with the first one, with the first vendor I saw. Even though it's few cents higher, I don't mind, I'll go with that. So yes, on Temu you can choose your reviews based on the country. Of course, people from the country you're ordering from will also have their reviews, so you can go choose your review setting based on the country you are and see their reviews. So for my own country, is not for the country where I am in, it's not a lot, no picture, so I'll definitely not make this buy. Let's see if I'll see another vendor. This is still the same bag, and this one is 2K sold. It's even lesser than the second one. And let's go to the reviews. Of course, the reviews is going to be smaller, it's going to be less, the review is going to be less. Okay, this one has a picture. It looks good. for the pink color. I don't really like how the black looks, but the pink I saw looks really okay. So this is just how I do it. Whatever item you're picking, go for the reviews. This is how the pink looks. I really like how the pink is looking in this picture. Look at the video and the pictures in the review and go for the items that have more of the quantity, that has been sold. I don't really go for 10 sold, 15 sold. That is not me. This is another. Okay, see this other vendor, 326 sold. I'll definitely not even bother looking at this person because there are less of the bags that has been sold and the reviews is not even going to be a lot. Let's take a look. You see, just excellent. Sometimes I feel like the reviews might be generated or something. It might not be real. That's why I don't go for any vendor that has less of that quantity sold. I don't do it. So yeah, for this item, just 300 and something sold. This is just all you have, and I don't know, it's looking somehow. Then you see this section where they say reviews from similar items on Temu. This item, or rather these reviews, is not coming from this buyer, like from similar items from other vendors. Of course, it's a similar item, so they are adding the reviews from other vendors, not even this vendor. So that's just it. That's what I do. So those are the three essential things I do. Any item you're going for, first off, the item you have in mind, and there's a possibility that you're going to see more than 2, 3, 5 vendors that are selling that same item. Then just search for your item and look out for the vendor that has more of those items that has been sold. The only reason you will see me going for an item that has maybe 20 sold, 300 sold is maybe if that's the only vendor that is selling such item. But on Temu app is not, I don't think it's possible for you to see one item and it's just one person that is selling that item. It's not possible. I mean, so far that I've been using the app, I've seen multiple vendors selling the same item. So first off, search for your item. Of course, just look at the different vendors to have a knowledge of what it costs, because an item you might even see a higher price, like maybe 2 or 3 or 5 more euros for the same item. So have an understanding of what it costs. Then look at the number of items that each of those vendors have sold. Go through the reviews and look for live pictures and videos. Very, very important. And if you like what you see, of course, go for it and pick that item, put it into your cart and make your payments. And I assure you that if you go on to make your payments and eventually get your order, what you see is what you get is actually what you order. It's going to be the same thing you see in the picture or the video of in the review section. That's just it. That's how I make my own order, and so far I've not had any regrets. In a situation where you don't have a review, you don't see a review with picture or video, I still go for the vendor that has more of the quantity sold. And all the reviews I see there, I try to make sure they are all positive reviews. Of course, there's 1 or 2 people that might have negative reviews, but I go for the ones that have higher positive review. And yeah, that's just it. I hope this helps, and if you have any problems using the app, you can let me know, and if I have any solutions to it, of course I'm going to answer. You can also watch my other videos on how to get free gifts, how to use the app, installation and everything. And you just follow up on my other Temu videos, or you can follow up on my other videos that is not Temu related. All right, thank you for watching and have a lovely day. Bye.